want to publish your online course, but you don't have any idea yet. You ask like, wow, how can I come up with those ideas? I don't know what can I cover, right? So in this video, I want to share with you 7 different ways you can do to come up with profitable course ideas, right? So the key here is you don't want to just lay down here and try to come up with idea. You want to go out and go to those marketplace to see what are the best-selling topics, right? So the first place you can go is Amazon bestseller. So Amazon have a bestseller page, right? So on the page, they have a book category. So you can go to check what are the best-selling items here. Well, maybe there are 3 books about negotiation, which means there's a demand on this kind of topic. So you can write down negotiation. So you can get so much ideas here, right? Another place you can go to is dummies.com. So Dummies is a book publisher, and you know publishing a book is not easy. It takes lots of time. So before they publish any book, they will do really intensive market research. So you can go there, go to their catalog to see what are the topics they already published about. So you can go to get those ideas, right? Another place you can go is ClickBank. So ClickBank is a site for affiliate marketing, which means you can go there to promote their product. And there are many people are promoting their product. And they have a marketplace. Then on the marketplace, they will show you all their products, and you can sort them by popularity, by gravity, which means you can see what are the best-selling items here. So you can get the idea from the marketplace as well. Another way you can do is you can go to Udemy, right? Udemy is a website for publishing online courses. So they have a search bar, right? So you can go to the search bar and type A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then we'll show you some keyword suggestion, right? So you can just use those suggestions as your idea, or you can click on those link and to see the related courses. Then you can click on the link to the course to see how many students already enrolled in the course. So you get a clear idea if there's a demand for that topic, right? Another one you can do about is you can go reach out to your friends and families, and you can say, hey, if you want to learn one thing from me, what's the number one thing you want to learn? So you want to get their opinion about what's your superpower, what's your special ability, right? So sometimes they will tell you something that you are not even aware of. You will discover your superpower by other people's opinions, right? That's the reason why you can reach out to your friends and the family to ask them questions. Another way you can do is you can think about what are your superpowers, what are your skills, what are your talents, what are your expertise, and you can write it down. It can be your course ideas as well. And the last one is your passion. There are some topic you really want to learn, but you don't have expertise yet, but you can actually create a course for that. Because by the time you are creating a course, you will do more research, you will do more studies, and you will actually become a master on that topic. So teaching is actually the best way to learn anything, right? So you can learn by teaching. So those are 7 ways you can do to come up with course ideas. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to learn more, you can click on the link below, or you can go to the coursecreationchallenge.com to sign up for the training. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.